Hi, this is Ken Lau. Today I want to share with you the powerquery M language of date dot add months. So what is date dot add month? It returns the date result from adding number of months to date time. So for example, today is on the January 6th of January year 2022. So 3 months from this date, what would be the date? April 6. So if you look at the calendar from here, you add 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. So that would be the 6th. Irregardless of the number of days in each month, it just want to advance 3 months. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So let's look at how to do this. Go to Data tab, Get Data, Format the Sources, Blank Query, and what we do is just add date dot add months right here. Okay, so or I can just use add month, and if you find the one, then you just tap it, and after this we enter the date. To enter the date, we use the hash key, this one here, hash key. Okay, so hash date 2022, month of January, on the 6th at 3 months from there. Enter. We missed the equal sign then. There you are. On the April, 6th of April, 3 months from there. So that is one of the language. And now we look at another one here. It's called date dot end of month. Date end of month get the end of the month, whichever date they are. So let's say from here, it's on the 6th of January 2022. So we want to get the very last date of that same month, of the same month in that specified date. So we already have the fourth. Earlier on, we already have this. The fourth, the April, 6th of April. So what is the last day of April? Well, you look at here, it tells you that the last day is on the 30. But how do we get to 30? Oh, we added the date to end of months there. So just add date dot end of month and enter. And there you go. If you want to know the last date of the month, you use end of month. Okay, so that is how you use powerquery. Now you can also apply this in probation review. So yesterday we did a training for a group of HR, and there is this. Let's say you hired someone in the date of this date. So 3 months from there, from this date would be. It's not this one. It's actually you want to add this. This is actually end of month, but if you add 3 months from this date, 1, 2, actually about adding 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, it should be 4. Yeah, it should be 4 months from there. So 1. No, that is itself 1 month. So it's like on the 6th, there's 1 month. Until here, it will be 1 month, and until here will be second month. Then yeah, it should be on the 4th. Yeah? So it should be 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it should be 3. Okay, so that is the 4th. And if you if you just talk about that, it would be just um, so it's like from the 6 to another 6. That would be exactly 3 months. Exactly 3 months. But the thing is that this one is called end of month. So I think end of month is not really necessary. I think in E that is even better than this. Okay, from here, this start date put 3 months. Aha, I think E date is even better than this one. So same goes to this here. We use E date. Okay, so there's a 6. So 3 months from there. This is the third month. This is the date for end of the 3 months probations. So 1 month from here to here, second month from here to here, the third month. So that is the third month. And for the 6 month, just continue adding it. Just change it to 6 then. Okay. So that would be that. So if you hired cats, then by this time, this is the period. This is, you can tell them, okay, you come to the end of the third month period. So in fact, 7 days before this date, you can also issue the congratulation notes or something like that, or 7 days from this date. So how do you get 7 days of this date? Well, you can actually, it's a column here. Just put this one here -7, and you get the 7 days from there. Okay, so same goes to here. Take this 6 months minus 7 days. So these are the dates you can issue some congratulations, some notification letters, or tell them that okay, within 7 days you finish our third month probations. Within 7 days you finish this one. So you let the newly hired staff happy with that. So just a suggestion, right? You may want to take this to the next level. And thanks for watching. And you just learned how to use the E-date. Is actually similar to the powerquery AddMonths. Okay. As for the end of month, well, really it's just this end of month. Okay. For end of month, they don't have for this end of month they don't have a feature to advance to several months, but in Excel they can. Okay, so use it according to your needs. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. I thank Jesus giving me the ability to share.